Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Docker. Today we are going to learn about the difference between the Docker Compose and the Docker Run. I think this question runs in your mind like why the Docker Compose and the Docker Run? Which one is the best? Which should I use? Right? So let's see which one we have to use. So Docker Compose, Docker Run, both tools are provided by the Docker, but they serve different purpose and the different use cases. Docker Run is a command line tool used to run a single Docker container based on the specified Docker image, right? One image, one container. It is used for running individual containers with specified configurations and the options. With the Docker run, you can specify the options such as port mapping, volume mount, environments, variables, container names, and the more like this. You can do that one. This command runs a new container named my container based on the nginx latest Docker image, mapping the port with 8080 on the host port 80 in the container, right? Then we have a Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker applications using a YML configuration file, usually named as docker-compose.yml. It allows you to define services, networks, volumes, and the configurations required for your multi-container application in a single YML file. Docker Compose simplifies the process of managing complex applications with multiple components by allowing you to start, stop, and manage all the services defined in the Docker Compose YML file in a single command. So this is the layout of that one compose Docker Compose or YML. Okay, then Docker Compose app. In summary, Docker Run is used for running individual Docker containers with a specific configurations, while Docker Compose is used for defining and running multi-container Docker applications. Like in the YML, I give let me give you. I have the example. Later on, I'm going to give you, right. So like you, if you want to, you have a Node.js project, right? You want to interact with the database also at the same time. So two things are there. So in the Docker Compose YML file, what you have to write? Then you have to make a MySQL connection. Okay. Then you have to Node.js at the same time. Okay. So these two things in a one file. And if you go with a container, then you have to do it with the separate things. Like you have to install the MySQL, then the node one, those two containers. So which one is the best? For my side, Docker Compose is the best. Okay. So Docker Compose simplifies the management of the multi-container applications by allowing you to define all the necessary configurations in a single file, start, stop, manage all services in a single command. So it's easy for the container to stop, container to start. Okay, so we have a multiple commands for that one, but for the compose, only one command, that is Docker Compose up, Docker Compose down. Okay, so these are the things. Please let me know in the comment section which you choose to be a better one. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.